Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy meme coins on Uniswap. For that, you will have to open your web browser and in the search bar, you simply need to type app.uniswap.org. This will land you on the official website of Uniswap, where by default you will be on this swap section. Now over here you are going to see the connect button in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you need to click on that connect button, and after that you just have to connect your wallet, whether it is MetaMask or Coinbase wallet or Trust wallet. You just have to basically connect your wallet with Uniswap. Now once you have successfully connected it, you will have to start the swapping process. But before that, you just have to select that particular meme coin which you want to get on Uniswap. For that, you will have to open a new tab, and in the search bar, you will have to type coinmarketcap.com. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see this section where you can click on this memes option, and here you are going to see a bunch of different meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Dog with Hat, Pepe Coin, Floki Inu, etc. So in this list, you just have to select that particular meme coin which you want to get on Uniswap. So let's say you want to get Coke Inu on Uniswap, so you simply need to click on Coke Inu until you see its chart and its current pricing. Now over here in the left hand section, you are going to see its contract address. So you will have to copy this contract address, and you will have to make sure that the chain is also shown over here. As you can see over here that the Coke Inu coin is on Avalanche chain. So you will have to come to Uniswap again, and first you will have to change the network. For that, you will have to click on this top arrow button, and as we want to add Coke Inu, which is on Avalanche chain, you will have to click on Avalanche, and after that you will have to click on the option of switch network. Now once the Avalanche network is selected, you will have to click on the second token over here, and then you just have to paste the address that we have just copied from CoinMarketCap. Then it will show you Coke Inu coin over here, so you simply need to select the Coke Inu coin, which is a meme coin. Then you will have to enter the amount of Avalanche coin or any other coin that you want to spend in order to purchase Coke Inu coin. After that, you will have to click on the swap option in the bottom, and after that you just have to click on the swap button in the bottom, and after the success, and this is how you will be able to purchase meme coins on Uniswap. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.